Lemniscate, the symbol of infinity. Imagine looking into the night sky. Millions of stars, planets, and galaxies stretch out before you. And suddenly a question arises. Does the universe have an end? And if not, how do we understand something with no beginning and no boundary? Today we're diving into a concept that has fascinated mathematicians, physicists, and philosophers for centuries. Infinity. In mathematics, infinity is not just a really big number. It's the idea of something that goes beyond numbers altogether. Take a straight line. You can walk along it forever and never reach the end. Or think about fractions: 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, 1/5. You can keep dividing forever, and there will always be something left. The symbol infinity, known as the Lemniscate, first appeared in the 17th century. English mathematician John Wallis introduced it as a way to represent something boundless. Why a sideways 8? Because it loops endlessly without a start or a finish. But infinity is not only a mathematical symbol. We see glimpses of it in nature. Look at the branching of a river, the veins of a leaf, or the intricate design of a snowflake. These are fractals, patterns that repeat themselves no matter how closely you zoom in. They seem infinite in their detail. In physics, infinity appears when we talk about the universe. Is space endless? Does the cosmos expand without limit? Or does it curve back on itself in ways we cannot yet imagine? And even at the smallest scales, atoms, quarks, the spaces between particles, the deeper we look, the more the mystery of infinity unfolds. Infinity has always challenged the human mind. How can we comprehend something with no beginning and no end? Everything in our world seems to have limits: day and night, birth and death, the start and finish of every story. But when we talk about infinity, we step outside the boundaries of human experience. And so, the question arises: if infinity exists in mathematics, in nature, and in the universe itself, could it point to something greater? A source beyond time, beyond space, beyond the limits we know? Perhaps the sideways 8 is more than just a mathematical sign. Perhaps it's a reminder that the origin of everything we see, all matter, all life, all laws of physics, may itself be infinite. This is just the beginning of our journey. On this channel, we'll explore the intersections of science, mathematics, and philosophy, and ask whether they all point towards something beyond the material world. Welcome to Lemniscate,